2014 TTT, the Terrible Twins, sponsored by Pro Standard Supplements. Why is this year going to be different for you? Not us, you. This is about you. This is about you achieving your goals, you succeeding, you getting in the gym and pushing those boundaries. You have to do it this year. You have to live this year like it's the last year you've got to live, okay? You have to wake up every day motivated, determined to be the best you can be. Otherwise, you risk the chance of being or becoming an average motherfucker. Take that one step outside of your comfort zone to be the best you can be. Not only take that one step, get used to being outside your comfort zone, make it your home. Okay, we don't want nothing easy in life. What do we get from anything being given to us? You gotta go and get it. Make it yours. Own that shit. In the gym, at home, at work. Be the person you dreamed of when you were 6. Anything is possible through constant hard work, dedication and determination. And motherfuckers, press replay when you start to doubt yourself, because anything is possible. If you've got a heart, a brain and a goal, you can achieve success. Hard work, dedication is the year of 2014. It's yours. Do you hear me? Yours. Mwah. I want to talk to you about something that's happened to me quite recently. Probably about 6 or 7 people are saying to me at the moment, Louis Davis, you're on this journey. You're on a public journey. You better watch out for that man lurking around. And I say, what man's that? What man's lurking around me? And they say, no one knows his name, but you know him when you see him. He stands about 7 foot tall, big broad shoulders on him. He has his hood up everywhere he goes. I say, listen, no one's even seen his face. How do we know this person even exists? I say, I ain't scared of no motherfucker anyway. Lo and behold, that day was leg day. I've gone to the gym. I didn't do my best squat. Didn't do my best leg press, and I just didn't feel like the normal Louis Davis. I'm walking home after the session, I'm feeling a little bit deflated. I've got them conversations running through my mind, people telling me I'm gonna meet this man, like he's been talking about me, like he's gonna come and challenge me and I don't even know him. Why is this man doing this to me for? I'm walking down the street, I'm about 100 meters away from my house. This thing barges into my right shoulder, I turn around pissed off, because I ain't done that good in the gym. I say, mate, what's your fucking problem? Lo and behold, it's that thing, that 7'2" being with his hood up. He walks towards me, so I look at him and I say, who the fuck are you? He looks at me, I can't even see his face. I say, what's your name? I'm talking to you, you've just barged into me, do I get an apology? What's your name? He said, my name's Impossible. I said, excuse me? He said, my name is Impossible. I said, wait a minute. 7'2", broad shoulders. You're the one that everyone's talking about at the moment. Take your hood down. He refused to take his hood down from me. I pull his hood off. And I got this frail, poorly looking being, didn't even look human. I looked him in his eyes, or what resembled eyes, and I said to you, guess what? You're that myth. You're impossible. I'm telling you now, Impossible, you're fuck all. Impossible, you're nothing. I unzipped his jacket. There weren't even 8 stone of anything underneath that jacket. Impossible is nothing. This is the myth that everyone's talking about every day. When you're on your journey, you're gonna come across the impossible. I've already met it. I looked him in the eyes, I took his hood off, I took his jacket down. Impossible does not exist. Impossible is frail, impossible is a myth. It's an excuse for weak-minded people to believe that they can't become amazing. I've met him, you'll meet him, it ain't even real. Terrible Twins. Last message 2014, TTT. Dare you, not only dare you, we beg you to find the courage to succeed. We want you to give 110% every single day towards achieving your goal. We want you to fail. We want you to get stronger and we want you to go again. right? Because until you try and give 110%, you will never know your limits. You will never know how good you can be. And everyone in this world was born to be great. Terrible Twins 2014 Pro Standard supplements with chocolate demigods.